Have you ever wished to create unique images in just few seconds without drawing or editing skills? Well, today I'll show you how to do it using Canva's AI Image Generator. And by the way, I already made a similar video like this one. Better watch it too so you can follow along. Hey guys, this is Vanryn. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, first let's go to Canva. Okay, and click Canva AI. And then click Create an Image. Okay, in here you can see different styles. For example, if you want smart, cinematic, creative, broken, macro, illustration, 3D, like that. And you can also choose sizes. Okay, in style, let's choose cinematic. And in sizes, let's do this. Okay, landscape rather. Okay, right here, you just have to type your prompt. For example, an adorable orange tabby cat wearing a wizard hat, sitting a pile of books. Okay, now if you're done with your prompt, just hit enter or hit this arrow to submit. Now wait for a couple of seconds. Here we go. See? Okay, that's so cute. Okay, let's have another prompt. A friendly cartoon dinosaur wearing sunglasses, surfing on a giant wave. Let's wait for a couple of seconds again. Okay, and here it goes. Let's see. Wow, that is so nice. Hey. Now, if you like the result of the image and if you want to download it, just click this download sign right here. Okay, and it will automatically download the image. Just click it. And here we go. Okay, let's see. Wow, that is so nice. Okay, so this is the Canva's AI Image Generator. Super useful and super easy. So what are you waiting for? Try Canva's AI Image Generator now. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. See you in my next video. Bye!